Welcome to this Mastering Mathematics problem. This problem comes from the PSIA District 2024 Math Grades 4 and 5 contest. It was problem number 15, and it says find the area. And it says assume the angles that appear to be right angles are in fact right angles. So we have, it's sort of a rectangular type shape, but then it's got this slant right here. So we're going to have to figure out how to handle that slant. So the trick to doing this is to partition the figure into smaller shapes. Okay, partition just means to cut it into smaller shapes. So I'm going to draw a line right here. It goes over to here, and that creates a rectangle. And then I'm going to drop a perpendicular line right here at this corner. And that creates a rectangle on the left and a right triangle on the right. Now we need to figure out how big these sections are. So we have a length of 13 here at the bottom. And up top, we have 6. So this much is 6 up to here. And then we have this 4 right here. So this much is 4. And so since we had 6 and 4, that's 10. So that leaves a 3 right here for this little middle part. That means this piece right here on the right triangle is also a 3. Now we're going to need to find this height. And that height is, in fact, going to be 4. There's a couple of ways to do this. You could use the Pythagorean theorem, but you could also just recognize that this length on the left was 6. And we've cut off 2 of it right here. So that leaves us with a 4 right there. So that's a 4. Now let's go ahead and find the areas of each of these parts. Down here at the bottom, I'll draw a little example. This is a 13 by 2 rectangle. The area of a rectangle is length times width. So that's going to be 26. Then the rectangle up here at the top, that's going to be 4 by 6. And 4 times 6 is 24. And then the right triangle that we had right here had legs of 3 and 4 and a hypotenuse of 5. And all you have to remember is that a right triangle area is half of the rectangle. You could even see the rectangle. I could draw it in here if I sort of drew it here like that. There's the rest of the rectangle that's missing from the triangle. So it's half times the base and the height, or the length and the width, which are 3 and 4. 3 times 4 is 12, and 1/2 of that is 6. And so now we add them together. So the total area is 24 plus 26 plus 6. Well, 24 and 26 is 50, so the answer is 56. And that was A. Thanks for watching.